Hello and welcome to the Quant Business Analyst podcast, where we discuss key business solutions, cutting-edge cybersecurity, and strategies to accelerate growth in a digital world. I am Praveen Nair, and today we are diving into an essential topic for organizations across industries. ISO 27001-2022, the gold standard for information security. So what exactly is ISO 27001-2022? Simply put, it's an internationally recognized standard for establishing, implementing, maintaining, and improving an information security management system, or ISMS. See, the 2022 revision of the standard has been updated to address modern challenges like the cloud computing, supply chain risks, and emerging cyber threat. So whether you are a small business or a multinational corporation, ISO 27001 provides a robust framework to safeguard your sensitive information. But the question remains, why? Why should company follow this standard? So let's start with the most obvious reason: enhanced security. Cyber attacks and data breaches are no longer the if scenarios, They are when. So ISO 27001 enables organizations to proactively identify vulnerabilities, implement controls, and minimize risks. Next, we have regulatory compliance. Across industries, data privacy laws like GDPR, HIPAA, and others are becoming stricter. Adhering to ISO 27001 not only simplifies compliance, but also reduces the risk of hefty penalties. Now let's talk about something every organization cares about: trust. Clients and stakeholders are increasingly cautious about who they work with. A certified ISO 27001 implementation signals to the world that you take security seriously. In fact, for many companies, having this certification is a deal breaker when selecting vendors or partners. And let's not forget risk management. ISO 27001 ensure that you not only identify risks, but also prioritizing and addressing them systematically. This framework prepares your organization to handle incidents with minimal disruption, ensuring business continuity. But it doesn't stop there. ISO 27001 also provides a clear competitive advantage. In today's interconnected world, security is a key differentiator. By demonstrating your commitment to the highest standard, you can attract more business, especially from industries like finance, healthcare, and IT. There's also an internal benefit: operational efficiency. When roles, responsibilities, and processes are well defined, you reduce inefficiencies and inconsistencies. Employees become more aware of their role in maintaining security, leading to fewer insider threat. And here's the kicker. The 2022 update aligns perfectly with modern needs. It tackles supply chain security, cloud vulnerabilities, and API threats, making it future-proof for businesses navigating today's digital-first economy. Now, let's bring this into the real world. Imagine your organization faces a ransomware attack. With an ISO 27001 certified ISMS, not only do you have protocols in place to detect and respond, but your recovery process is swift and efficient. Or consider a client who questions how you manage their data. With ISO 27001 certification, you have documented evidence of best practices, giving them peace of mind and strengthening your partnership. Long term, it's about cost savings, avoiding fines, reducing downtime, and preventing breaches that could tarnish your reputation. To sum it up, ISO 27001-2022 is more than a compliance tool. It's a strategic asset. It protects your business, builds trust, and ensures sustainability in a rapidly evolving threat landscape. At Quant Business Analyst, we specialize in helping organizations implement ISO 27001 and other cybersecurity framework. Remember, cybersecurity is not a destination, it's a journey. And with the right guidance, it's a journey you don't have to take alone. Do join us back for another topic on information security with us at Quant.